What is good, everyone? So in today's video, I'll be doing a backtesting session because a lot of you guys have been requesting me to do so. So what did I do? I recorded a 40-minute long video right here, right? But actually, I didn't record it because I looked back at it and I realized I didn't press the record button. And I was like, oh my days. So I did it again, right? I did it again here. I was laying in the couch with my MacBook, and so this time I was recording, but after I looked back at the recording, my MacBook was overheating, so everything was lagging, right? It was like 2 FPS. So you can't really see anything doing that because it's just laggy. So that leads me to doing it again, right? So let's do it again because I know how valuable these are for you guys, and you guys can basically see how I run stuff, how I do stuff, and how I got profitable using this checklist and playbook, right? So start date here, right? Let's use a random number generator. I have it right here. Let's do a random year first because I'm not going to cherry pick months or the years like everyone else, like all the fake demo gurus. They cherry pick months and then they already know what price is going to do. Then they fake the results. That stupid industry. Whatever. Let's do 3. So 2023. Let's do 12 out of 12. So November 2023. All right. So November 2023. Let's see here. November 2023, right? And let's do like halfway into December because I'm not going to trade more than that. Let's end it off on a Saturday. That should be good. And let's see here. So let's see if we can get some good results. I mean, that should be pretty doable. Let's skip towards next day open here. Now, I hope you guys will bring some snacks along, or you're eating something or drinking something while doing this, because it's going to be a valuable video, I promise. But it's also going to be like a semi-long one. So, yeah. But anyways, let's see here. Do we get a bottom wick, please? Bottom wick, bottom wick, bottom wick. I mean, this looks good, but I mean, the move would probably be here, but this is pre-markets open, so I wouldn't take that. But this, I would, probably would take. Be a little bit more cautious about it though. But we have a liquid grab there, and then we can kind of continue now with this structure being built, right? This looks clean, but let's see what can we target though. We have these highs. How far away is that? 36. That should be very doable. And let's see here. This should be pretty nice. Oops. This should be pretty nice. Just a continuation post liquid grab down here. Pre-market open liquid grab though, but we did, push down a little bit here. So this should continue either way. Let's go to the 1 minute and let's see. Yeah, this looks pretty clean here. Save. That's 2%, right? I risk 2%. Yeah, I did. Nice. All right, so we should continue up here. Nice. We got in some drawdowns, but I mean, stops were protected, so should continue. And if we, were to break this low, it would probably continue even further, right? So let's see here. Can we continue to take profit? Or yeah, nice. Take profit got hit just by the tick right there. That's nice. And nice little trade. So actually a pretty strong trade, 2.72 hours, and we are up 5%. So that's nice. That's the first trade. Let's go to the next day. We are bullish again, so I'm looking for a bottom wick, and then we can continue bullish. So do we get a bottom wick here? We do. 1 strong minute. Nice. This looks clean, bro. This looks clean. Let's wait for the 5 closure here in 1 minute. Strong. Nah. It closed bearish. I'm not looking for sells here. I'm looking for buys. Let's wait 2 minutes, 1 minute. Please don't run. Okay. So, I mean, this looks good. I'm afraid that we could take this and be cautious about, break-even levels, because I do believe this will run. Like, look at the 30-minute. We broke previous lows, and we're continuing now. It's like in the playbook. We broke previous lows, then we're continuing up. So I do trust in this trade. Don't get me wrong, but it's more about, like, take profits and, if it's too close to our vantage point. So take profit will be up there. And, I mean, it looks good. Don't get me wrong. I'm just a little bit cautious here. If we get a strong push, I mean, ideally it should have closed like down here so we can use this as advantage point, but it should be fine still. Let's just be a little bit cautious. When we push up like this, I'll go break even. Because I don't want it to reverse on us, obviously, right? So let's place the position here, 2% by market. Nice. This should continue up pretty strongly, pretty easily. No? All right? Fair enough. Well, we did liquidate this, and I wasn't expecting a, push down there. Okay, fair enough. All right, so that's the loss there. This looked like a good position, I can't lie. Let's go to the next day. We're still up 3.4%, so that's good. And let's see if we can continue here. Do we get a bottom wick? No. Is this the drive? Wait, hold on. I mean, this looks good now, but yeah, this looks good based off the 1 minute here because we broke structure. We got a liquidity grab on the 1 minute. This looks good for buy positions. Now stops, I'll probably just place them there, and then we can target these highs up here. Though they look pretty good. Nice. Let's actually just account for spreads, just a bet here. So nice little position now. Liquidity grab to the downside on the 15, but you can't see it. Okay, you can see it in the 3 minute. Yeah, it's based off the 3 minute then, I guess. Let's place order, save, and let's continue bullish here. Nice. So break even trade right there. And let's see, take profit, tap. Nice. Good trade. Little 1 to 1.1. It made sense for me to take profit here. And I have no FOMO if price runs without me. My neck is hurting, bro. I can't lie. My neck. Yeah. Let's go to the next day open here. Let's go to the next day. So we're up 5.6%. Nice. We are still bullish. Let's see a bottom wick first and then a continuate. Okay, never mind. Never mind. Wait, I can still adapt to this, but I just need to get some strong 1 minute candles. I mean, it's gonna continue up here, but am I gonna get in here? Wait, hold on. I mean, it looks good. Let me get in here. It looks good. Why am I even thinking about this? Or why am I even like second guessing this? It's going to continue up here. It's just about take profits as well. Again, how far away is this? 30. This looks good. We have these highs. This is, yeah, strong highs. We should be able to continue up there. And let's give this a chance. Let's give this trade a chance because this looks super clean here. Place order 2%, buys, continue up. Nice. And let's go break even now. Right there. And let's hope we don't get tap break even. Okay, we did. Okay, fair enough. Good break even though. Let's go to the next day. And let's see here. So remove drawings. And can we get a bottom wick, please? Nice. Nice. Flip bullish. Flip bullish. Flip, flip, flip. Nice. Look at this. Just 1 minute more. Nice, bro. This is clean. I'll take a 5 minute entry here. Stops will be somewhat like this because the 15, I anticipate the 30 is going to flip bullish here after breaking these lows. And if it does that, if it breaks its own high, we are continuing up. So this looks like a super clean trade. I could probably target these highs right here. What's this? Yeah, I could probably target these highs up here. Nice. Bro, super clean trade here. Super clean trade here. This should continue without a doubt. So, yeah. Let's see. Based off the 5 minute, but it's 9:45, so 15 is also going to close. And by the way, I don't account for news events. So if there is news events at 10 a.m. and I get liquidated because if I take a trade at like 9:55 or something, and I don't know that there's red folder news, that's just unlucky, right? I can't do anything about it. Now in real time, I wouldn't trade it, but it's backtesting and I don't really mind, so it's all good. And let's see here. So we're pushing up. I don't like this, so I will go break even now. I mean, I like it, but I don't like that we push down first. So let's go break even now. Let's see if we get tapped break even. It looks like we want to do that. Okay. Survive, please. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Actually, I'm going to put my stops just before that high, just so I don't get edged. Nice. Another win, or another day, another win. Let's go. We're up 8.8%. Let's go to the next day. And this was based off the 15. You can see liquidity grab. You can see the 30 minute. It, turned out to be exactly like this. It is exactly like the breakout plus liquidity grab. It's just to get a better entry inside the wick right here instead of getting in up here, right? So instead of getting in on the break of the current high low or previous high low, I got in on the 5 minute and anticipated that the 30 was going to continue bullish, right? So that gives me a better entry, a better risk to reward, and a little bit lower win rate, but it adds up with the higher, risk to reward. But basically, let's go to the next day. I mean, what are we aiming for during this session? Should we aim for like 20%? I mean, it's doing 15, 20%. I mean, that's pretty doable, I think. Let's see. Push down. Nice. This looks good. This looks like a solid ass trade based off the 1 minute. We can continue up to these highs. Oh yeah, bro. This is clean. Now this is based off the 1 minute here. Very tight stops, actually. But let's do it like this. Then we can target these highs, and yeah, bro, easy. It's a 1-to-1, but it's what the market gives me. Sometimes the market gives me a 1-to-2, 1-to-3. Sometimes it'll give me a 1-to-1. I don't care. I just trade my edge, and I take profit where it makes sense, and I enter logically where it also makes sense, right? So this makes sense for my strategy, my edge, and the playbook to enter, and we can continue bullish here. Nice. So let's go break even aggressively here because I don't want this, especially when we don't have a strong 3-minute wick. I don't want. Okay, nice. So we push straight up to take profit here, and nice. We rejected right after. Beautiful trade. Another day, another win. Did I risk? Oh, we up. We up 10.8% here. Nice. Let's go to the next day now. Let's see here. We're only 9 days into November. Damn, there's a lot of frequency here. I'm taking quite some trades here. This is nice. This is nice for you guys to see. It's not a slow month, so that's good. Now let's see here. Can we get a bottom wick first? Push up. Okay. We've got 10 a.m. though. I mean, it looks good, but we've got 10 a.m. news here. Or I don't know if we have 10 a.m., but we have 10 a.m. like 10 a.m. closure. I mean, this looks good. I'm gonna stay out, but I do think we can continue up. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I mean, it is pretty choppy, so whatever. Yeah, I wish I had like news events here. I think I can make a setting for news events at the bottom bar. I don't know though, but I think some guy. Oh, news events. Wait, hold on. Ah, fuck it. I can't be asked to do that now. I'll just hope hope it doesn't push at 10 a.m. at news. But what is this? This looks good as well. 14 points though. Let's wait for 5 closure. Nah, let's wait for next one. Oh yeah, now it want to continue. Yeah. All right, so let's see. Take this 1 minute based off the 5 minute, based off the 15, right? And we should be able to continue up to like this high up here. Maybe not that far actually. Wait, let me see. Maybe like something like that. I'll probably target that. Yeah, that looks good. That looks super clean. Let's take the trade. Let's see, save, and let's continue bullish here. Nice, nice. Let's go break even now, and this should continue pretty easily. Yeah, this should continue pretty easily here, unless we want to go break even or it's get tap break even. But we tap, get tap, take profit. Nice. All right, so another day, another win. Pretty self-explanatory. Look at the 15-minute, right? Look at the 30-minute. We broke previous lows, and we can continue bullish. Broke previous lows, continue bullish. Nice. Let's go to the next day. We are up 14% now. So if you're trading 100K, if you're trading futures, you would have been passed by like 5 trades ago. If you're trading forex and 10% funded account, you should have passed already, and almost passed phase 2 as well. So nice. We're 2 weeks into November. That's good. And it's a Monday. Let's see. Oh, I mean, if the body closed like here, I would have taken sells because this is my advantage point. But because it's this close, I like it. I like the setup, but it's too close to my advantage point down here, so I'm not gonna take it. But yeah, we continue down and we get no FOMO because I don't care about FOMO. I just care about my setups presenting and us making money. Okay, this looks like NFP. It's not NFP, but this is like CPI or PPI. Damn. Hold on. How much did we push here, bro? 200 points. Oh my days. then this is probably going to be cooked price action. Okay, that's interesting. I mean, we could try and continue up. I just feel like we already made the move, but let's see. Do we have any strong liquidity levels up here? We have Asia highs. And then we have, how far away is this? 30? I mean, this is good. But that's like, oh, that's actually pretty close. That's a 1-to-1. I mean, I like this. Let's take this based off the 5-minute. This looks good. And we can manage risk as well off the 1 minute. So if we could push against us, I'll manage risk. Push, nice. Let's go break even here. And let's continue bullish. Or please don't tap me break even. Please don't tap me break even. Can we get a push? Not no break even stuff. Okay, never mind. And we just got tap break even and then we push. Okay, fair enough. But good idea, just unlucky. Unlucky. Let's remove and go to the next day. What is this now? This looks like another news event. I'm not gonna take this buys. No, I'm still not gonna take this. This looks like a chop day. So let's go to the next one. I mean, what are we? Are we bullish or bearish? I mean, we are bullish, but I mean, we don't want to push you, do we? Let me see. I mean, I wouldn't have taken this entry, so yeah, this is not my move. So if it's not my move, I can't feel FOMO, right? If you see something happen, but you are looking at the screen and you don't enter, then that's not your move. You can't get FOMO over it, right? So let's see what price wants to do here. Nah, this is not my move as well. Nah, this is still not my move. It's 10 a.m. next day. Don't like this price action. It's also choppy. Like, look how choppy we are. I don't like it. Okay. Okay, that was probably the move. Yeah, nah, that's not my move either. Let's wait for 10 a.m. here. Do we get a bottom wick? Nah, it's too late now. 10:30. I don't like this. Let's go to the next day. See, some days I'll get like 3 trades in a row, like 3 days in a row. Some days I'll get like 0 trades in like 3 days in a row, 4 days in a row. Like I really am like cautious about my trades. Like I really go all in on quality. I don't settle for less. Let's see here. Do we flip bullish? I mean, not yet. Maybe next 5-minute. Nah, next 5-minute. Nope. Nope. This is also cooked. Now we are bullish. Yeah, now we are bullish. Now it looks like we might get a bottom wick first. Okay, never mind. We just, how much is this, bro? 100 points off open. Damn. All right, cooked price action again, but this is the reality of it, boys. This is the reality of it. Some days you'll get absolutely cooked price action. Sometimes you get waves of like good price action. You take, a lot of trades. Other times, like you'll just get hit by bad price action. And it's all about just like when I say this, I mean it like 100%. I wish I knew this earlier in my career. Profitable trading is literally just avoiding the bad setups, because if you're watching this, you know how to trade, and if you know how to use the playbook, if you know how to use the checklist, you can make so much money. But the problem is you're still taking bad setups. That's the problem. You're taking bad setups. If you're over trading, you might do that subconsciously and you may even not know it, but you're taking bad setups. Like that's what's keeping you unprofitable, because it's really not rocket science. It's just avoiding the bad ones and only taking the good ones. Sounds so easy, but I mean, obviously it's not. And it took me a long time to understand that. But as you guys can see, I've not taking a single trade in like 6 trading days now, because it's chopped price action. Look at this. I don't like this price action here, right? Here, I don't like this. So I'm not going to take a trade if it doesn't, present to me. Now, this looks good. This looks good, however. But yeah, I mean, this looks good. Yeah, this looks good based off the 1 minute, but meh. Let's take one here, but stops are gonna be pretty massive because I want them protected, and like we can probably continue up to like London highs, but yeah, I'm gonna take this entry. Don't get me wrong, but I'll go break even pretty aggressively because I don't want this ending up being the liquidity, and then we can continue down. So let's take this position. Let's give it a chance, and we can obviously manage risk if price does close against us. And let's see here. So 2% safe. We should continue bullish here. Never mind. We didn't even grab liquidity. Okay, that's surprising. So a loss here. Fair enough. Fair enough. And now we might continue down. But okay, that's interesting. I was really surprised about that. I can't lie. I was really surprised about that. We didn't run. But fair enough. Took a loss. It is a part of the game. And no FOMO. Let's move on. Let's move on. I was talking about taking the bad setups. This was a good setup. Don't get me wrong. Just because it's a loss doesn't mean it's a bad setup. All right. But now, however, this is a clean sell position based off the 1 minute, anticipating the 5 is going to flip, anticipating the 15 and 30 is going to flip, and this looks textbook. This looks textbook. We can target these lows down here. This is, oh my days, this is clean. This is clean. So let's take this position and let's save and let's continue bearish here. Nice. Bigger push. Nice. So please don't get tapped break even here. That's all I hope for. Okay, we get tap break even. Okay. So tap break even and yeah, okay, fair enough. Next day. This is the raw reality. Some days, bro, you'll get tap break even and you'll get like low-key mad about it because it runs to your take profit. Other times you get tap break even and then it goes to your original stop loss, and then you're like kind of happy that you got break even. You gotta eliminate all your emotions though, because it's yeah. This is clean though. Wait, let's wait for another 5-minute bearish closure. Nice. This is clean. 15 is also closing here. This is super clean. Let's take a sell here to continue down to these lows. Exactly the take profit we had yesterday, but that did not happen. But I do think we can continue down now. Let's put our stops up here because that should not break. And let's actually put it above this 5-minute. That shouldn't break either. So let's see here. Can we continue down? Place order, sell. Let's continue bearish here or not. Wait, hold on. Continue bearish. Nice. So good stops here. Protected above those 3-minute and 5-minute highs. And now we'll wait for another push. And nah, I would probably just, yeah, fuck this. I'll go break even here, knowing that we'll probably get tap break even. Yeah. Because if it doesn't want to push, it doesn't want to push. Like you can see it pretty easily. So break even trade. Let's see here. Now we're bullish though. I like this because we can finally get some good price action. Cooked. Wait, hold on. No, it's 10 a.m. now. Okay. Let's see. Next day. Ooh, but aren't we bearish here? Don't like this. We haven't liquidated these lows. I would still anticipate sells. Oh, this is going to continue down here, bro. I'll take a sell position right there. Stops here and target like, let me see. Target like these lows probably. Yeah, that should be good. I mean, this is clean. We will most likely continue breaking those lows, and then I'll go break even. I'll go break even pretty aggressively here, actually. I'll go break even pretty aggressively here because I don't want us ending up being the liquidity. So if we get a push down, I'll go break even. Yeah, I'll go break even right there. And we should continue to take profit here. Nice. All right, so a winning day, 1.5 RR, and nice, up 15% now. Let's go to the next day. Let's see. We're still bearish here, I guess. Can we continue? Wait, hold on. 15 is closing bullish. but we're bearish. I mean, we're closing above this fair value gap here. It's making it an inverse. I mean, this looks good on paper, but if I do end up taking this trade, I will go break even here. And then it's just, I mean, I'll give this a chance because this looks super good. But the problem is break even levels are like here, basically, like right there. So I'll take this knowing that we'll most likely get break even though the edge is in our favor. All right. So I'll take this and go break even aggressively once we tap those highs. Can we go up there? Okay. Nah, we're not going to those highs. I'm letting it run though. And I'll go break even. Like, I'll trail my stops first of all to here now, and then I'll go break even once we get another push. Nice. Now I'll go break even. And let's see if it runs here. We get tap break even. All right, we get tap break even here. Not the cleanest trade because this looks pretty choppy, but okay, fair enough. So yeah, let's go to the next day open. Let's remove everything and let's see. I mean, 3 minute looks good. This looks good, but I'm not gonna take this. I would rather wait. Maybe now. No, I would still wait for the 5 closure. I mean, this looks good, but am I gonna take this though? Do we have some strong liquidity levels here? We have these. This looks like this is pre-London lows. And this is the other lows. If I end up taking this, my stops will be here realistically, and I will be only be targeting like these lows. Like this is good, and this looks like you want to continue down based off this liquidity grab here. And yeah, I'll take this. I will take this because this looks quite good. Let's see here. Can we continue down or can we push, please? A stronger push. I mean, I don't really. I mean, it looks. Nah, I'm gonna close break even here because yeah, I'm gonna close break even here. I don't like this. Don't like this. Maybe nah. Good break even choice. Let's go to the next day. If my chart can load. Nice. All right. So let's see open here. So 5 minutes gonna close doji. Next 5 is pushing. Next 5 is also pushing. Don't really see anything here. Don't really see anything. Nah. Let's go to the next day. It's also December now, so price action might be a little bit cooked. Let's get bottom wick first. Can we flip bullish now? Flip bullish. Flip bullish. Flip bullish, please. Flip. Nah, it's 10 a.m. We're not gonna flip. Fair enough. Okay, now we got a liquidity grab. This looks like 8:30 news. It probably also is. Can we get a bottom wick? Ooh. Nice. This looks good. This looks super good based off the 1 minute closure here. Let's put stops here and let's continue bullish. So I'll continue up to these highs. That is, yeah, that should be pretty good. That's a little 1-to-1. And I mean, this looks clean. Clean as trade. Let's place an order here, 2%, and let's continue bullish. Nice. So we go break even now, and let's hope we don't get tapped break even because that would be annoying. Okay, nice. Take profit hit. And yeah, look at 5 minute. Broke structure to the downside. We got liquidity grab here, push up. Right? Next day, let's see. We up 17% now. Oh, this is NFP. Okay, I won't be trading this. It's the first Friday of the month. And nah, I'm good. I'm good not to take that. What is this, however? Bro, my neck is also hurting, bro. Let's get a 1 minute strong. Yeah, okay. Now we want to continue, that's for sure. I mean, where's take profit though? We have those highs up there. How far away is that? 40. I mean, I could take a position up to those highs. Yeah, something like this. That's a little 1-to-1. Yeah, that's a little 1-to-1. This looks like you want to continue here. Let's see a push, see a bullish push. Nice. Okay, go break even. And do we get tap break even, or did we survive? Nah, I got tap break even right there. And then, okay. Wait, did we never tap? Okay, we did tap. Okay, whatever. Break even trade. That's all good. Let's go to the next day. Again, this is 8:30 news. I can already see this. So we probably won't get any trades here. Or what? Did you 1 hour? Nah. When there's liquidity grab on both sides, I don't like trading it because it's kind of iffy. Yeah, I just don't like it. Now it looks good though. But isn't this the like last? Oh, we got Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday left, I think. So let's see here. Can we get a bottom wick, please? Okay, never mind. I mean, this still looks like you want to continue up here, but the problem is, where's take profit here? Where's take profit here? I need to go really far left here, looks like, in order for me to take or see some wicks to the upside. I mean, we have this gap. How far away is this? 20. We have this. I mean, it looks like you want to continue up there, don't it? Yeah, I mean, I could take it, 1 minute here. Let's do that and then continue up. So that's like a 1-to-1 again. Because I mean, why should it break those lows when it already grabbed liquidity? It doesn't make sense. So let's take this and let's see a push up, or yeah, let's see a push up and go break even. And let's see if we can run to take profit here. Nope. Okay, we get tap break even again. Next day. Let's see here. What does price want to do? No, I won't take anything yet. Still won't take anything. Now it looks decent, but nah, it's not the cleanest here. It is definitely not the cleanest price action I've seen. Nah, it's 10 a.m. Let's go to the next day. I think this is the last day. Yeah, this is the last day here of the session. So let's see. I mean, this looks good. This looks super good. Look at the 1 hour. This looks like I want to continue. We have those highs up here, and that's 60 points away. We have this high as well. So we have Asia highs up here. Damn, okay. So we have Asia highs up there, but we have equal lows down here though. But this still looks like you want to continue up here. So I'm gonna take an entry here and basically put stops like there. That should be good, and we can target Asia highs up here. This looks super clean, and let's see here. Save, and let's continue bullish or not. Yeah, let's continue bullish, please. Let's see a little push, and then I'll go break even. You know what? I'll trail it here first of all. Then, nah. Okay, now I'll go break even. Because, yeah, it's not that clean anymore. Okay, tap break even. Tap break even, that was the last trade, I guess. And if I go to next day open, right? Yeah, that was the last one. Let's see the analytics here. 88% win rate, 17%. Nice. And this is probably not correct because of the break evens being like, break evens. But anyways, thank you all for watching. These are the results. And yeah, I mean, pretty beautiful. If you want access to this, you can, download it inside my free Discord for free. And if you like these kind of, videos, you found it helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And otherwise, I'm out.